Hello again, Pietro here. Thanks for clicking on by. So fun things happen, a lot of fun things happen after you reach, 4,000 and 5,000, and once you reach 6,000, now I'm at 7,000, but all combined, my reach is 20,000 people, which I'm like, I just want to get 1,000 because then you get monetized by YouTube. Anyway, it's really fun because people start emailing you and say, hey, we review this, and hey, do you want to collaborate and review this Remarkable? We can make you an affiliate, and then, yeah, if you help sell these, we'll reimburse you, and then you'll get $40 for every Remarkable you sell. That was really cool. I got just uber excited, and I told my wife, guess what? I'm going to be able to pay our mortgage next month because I sold 30 Remarkable tablets. 30 times 40, do the math. That's some nice coin. Anyway, and then the check never arrived. The way the affiliate program works for Remarkable is you save 40, I get 40. Kinda. Up until your first device is paid off. So then I thought, well, maybe I can get one for my wife, or my good friend David in Arizona, or my other friend JP in Oregon. Yeah, no, it doesn't work that way. To date, I think I've helped sell well over 50 or 60 Remarkable tablets. And I don't regret the collaboration. It's honestly one of my favorite devices. And going back 3 years, I'd spend the $500 and buy it again. But actually, I made all my money back. Thank you, Remarkable. And I got a free stylus from Kingwright. I got a free case from Remarkable. And it's been good. It's good. And that leads us to our next product. I don't know what's in here. I've answered a lot of emails, and there's no company name, so here we go. Ready? Let's rip her open. Browey 3-in-1 fast charging cable. Okay, I thought this might be it. Oh, and there's a little gift thing from Amazon. Now it started off, just a little more backstory, a ton of people started emailing me, hey, we review this on Amazon, hey, we review this on Amazon. That's illegal. If people are trying to buy your review on Amazon and then give you money for a positive review, go like this and just stay away, because one, that's not only illegal, it's dishonest. And the 3 companies that have asked me to do that, I've reported them to Amazon because people rely upon those positive reviews. Anyway, so this company reached out to me, Browey, and they wanted me to review their charger. And I'm like, great. They didn't ask me to post it on Amazon. They just asked, yeah, review it and put it on your channel. That's all we ask. And here we are, 10 emails later. So this is fast charging, has a smart chip, multiple protection. The smart chip technology is the same used in a lot of other brands. I'll just throw the name out there. Anker uses them, Apple uses them, Samsung puts them in their chargers, and so on and so on. So this is a Light-ning, Type-C, and Micro, which is pretty much everything I use. And I'll be honest, the color of the cable caught my eye. Okay, nice presentation. Wow, it's a really hefty cable and has this really cool leather cord. Wow, this is gonna be good. What I plan to do is to keep this in the car, and then I can charge all my gadgets. I can't think of a gadget that would not use Light-ning, USB-C, or micro USB. That just, yeah. There is an older one called mini USB, but I haven't seen anyone I haven't had anyone ask me to use this. Wow, there's even a wrapper. Here, we need... See it right there? That is cool, right? There's this nice wrapping right there. Oh, that's very nice. And then here is the leather cord organizer. Let me see if I can reorganize the cable so it's not going to be running around, running amok in my car. Okay, that was pretty easy. I like how thick the cable is, and I did not know it was USB-A. For some reason, I thought it was USB-C to all those 3 ports. I hope they also make a USB-C one, because that would be high powered, and then I could more quickly charge my iPhone 15 Pro, and then I could also use it to charge my other devices, but this will be good. USB-A is lower powered by default. I mean, there are fast chargers, but you just don't get as many amps, volts, and thus watts through USB-A as you can get through a USB-C port. And one more wrapper. Wow, that's really... Okay, I'll just take that off of camera. Let's go see if it works. So we take the cable, we plug it into my Anchor USB-A, and this is design. Oh, that's nice. Do you see that? They light up green. That's a really nice, subtle touch. I like that they do that. So let's see if I can charge my Ultra Human Ring here. This is the Ultra Human Ring Air, and it takes USB-C. We got the green glow, and it's charging. Okay, test number 1. And now we need to see if it'll charge my Remarkable tablet. Oh, I need to unlock it. Close your eyes. So these are a bunch of stats that I've been collecting for another watch video that's coming soon. So if I close this notebook, it's charging. That's good news. Need a little more light in here. That's better. Now let's try out, I don't have anything that uses Light-ning, and I loaned my old iPhone to my sister. So, but I'll find one soon. Let me find a micro USB. I have one of those. Stand by. All right, I found my iPhone. Now iPhones are particular. They do not accept all chargers. Maybe it's not designed for... Okay, well, scratch that. Let's try micro USB, which I have this little, I don't remember who makes this. It's not Anchor, it's not a brand name, but there's the micro USB. And it's charging. We got the green light. See right there? Charging. That's good news, good news. Both directions. That's what I've always loved about Lightning ports and USB-C is they're omnidirectional or bidirectional, whereas micro USB, it only goes in one way, and I've never liked that. So let me try another device. Okay, I found another phone. This is USB-C. Charging. Charging. And then it even tells us if it's fast charging or not. Actually, this one might not. This is the older OnePlus 6T. I like the design. I like the green lights. I like that it's USB-A to these 3 ports. So this will work with my car charger. So I'm going to finish charging my Ultra Human Ring Air. And I think we'll wrap this video up in a few days after I test this cable some more. Need to test it in the car. Let's see if this fancy 3-in-1 cable will work in the car and charge my AirPods. Here's the Lightning port, and yes, it works. Now I can charge these on the go while I drive home. See? AirPod, the cable, sweet. And if I need to, I can charge USB-C and micro USB all at the same time. One cable to rule them all. Hello again. Okay, you know what? let's turn these on. You can't film a good video unless you have the watch screen on. And the Amazfit watches have this really cool setting where the watch screen just stays on for 5 minutes. And it's not AOD, it's the actual watch screen. And it looks really good, actually. See? Yeah. All right.